I will lodge an FIR with the police. ना 15 दीस मदी दिवाळी बिवाळी आहा करूंक शकना कारण दॅट इज ऑलरेडी रेकॉर्डेड. Documents are recorded already even with the PAC. Even if PAC committee is changed, still the record exists there. Ne? Plus you can't change the date of payment. Ne? You can change everything else. स्वतः दिगंबर कामत. अनेक मुद्दो भितर जो महत्वाचो आसा तो म्हणजे पैसे भरलेले आसता पळय ते चेंज करपाक येना. त्यामुळे दीस कॅनॉट बी चेंज. फॉर एग्जाम्पल 1000 रुपया त्या वेळा 1000 रुपया आशिल्लो. 1000 रुपया एप्लिकेशन फी जी आसा फॉर्म घेवपाक फॉर्मूच घेवपाक येना जाल्यार तुमकां पयशे आयले ना जाल्यार 1000 रुपया मंत्र्या कडेन केल्ली न्हय. विजिलन्स कंप्लेन वॉज विथ द सेम मिनिस्टर. Copy was marked to Chief Minister. He is also Vigilance Minister. He is absolutely least interested in carrying out investigation. You can ask him the reason. I can prove what charge I am saying. That बाबू कवळेकराच्या हाता सकयल SEZ हातून आणि पयलींचें सरकार जे आशिल्लें तांच्या डायरेक्शनामुळे SEZचो तातूंत भितर प्रताप सिंग राणे आनी लुईजीन फेरेरो इन्क्लूड येता. तांच्या काळान हो प्रचंड भ्रश्टाचार एक तर डायरेक्ट हांव सांगता तुमकां 150 रुपया रेट बाय जस्ट युजींग अ 10 पैसा वर्थ white ink and erasing 4. The rates were kept down and all land was allotted to SEZ. 150 rupees per square meter 32 लाखाची कॅल्क्युलेट करलेली. Yes, statutory undertaking. Concerned minister, in this matter, mines, if you ask me, Digambar Kamath is definitely responsible. But in this matter, directly he does not stand responsible because he is not a member of the board. Because board decides. But after having brought it to his notice, he becomes party to the criminal conspiracy. If you ask me that, he is definitely guilty criminally because it has been brought to his notice and still he has not acted. So he becomes party by choice. हय म्हणजे ओगी तुका खबर आसतना तूं ओगी रावत चोरी जाता तुका काम ते दिवन ना न्ही त्यामुळे ही इज डेफिनेटली गिल्टी ऑफ इट. बट ही इज नॉट डायरेक्टली वन हू आनी दीस अलॉटमेंट्स वेर कॅरीड आउट ड्युरींग राणेज टायम. They were not carried out during what I am saying are all during Rane's time. Rane and Luizin and not Digambar's time. Digambar became, but Digambar knows about it because of my complaint, vigilance complaint, which happened during his tenure. दोन जाले मायनीच्या संदर्भान हांव सगळ्यांक शॉक टू माय शॉक I found that Director of Mines and Geology is filing false affidavits in the High Court. The affidavit which has been filed dated, what is the date? 18th or something. 18th, October, is blatantly false and manipulates the figures to misdirect the court on intention. I will not go into all his other rhetorics, but I will only read this part of it. I state that it is because of this re-handling of old dumps that the production appears to be inflated in excess of EC limits. I further state that a respondent number word by circular has presently stopped handling re-handling of the dumps. That may be true, but the first part about old dump, number one, if you remember, this matter was brought in the assembly and it was pointed out to the government that EC limits are being exceeded. That is number one. When it was brought to the government notice, government has bifurcated the production between mines and dumps as per the EC limits. म्हणजे EC लिमिटा भितर प्रोडक्शन दवरपाची जी करामत आसा ती सरकाराची करामत आसा. कारण म्हाका जे एसेंब्लीन उत्तर दिला 8 म्हयन्या पयलीं 9 म्हयन्या पयलीं तातूंत भितर EC limit clearly violate जाता. You may remember I pointed out 3 cases at least in that list where EC limits are exceeded. So this is afterthought first, splitting up dumps and EA. Second, the most important part, he says old dump. I have one question for Mr. Lolekar. Since I am no more chairman of PAC, I can ask this question publicly. I had asked these questions in camera in the committee meetings to Lolekar in the house, but I am asking now public meeting. What about dumps that have been worked by mines which have started completely fresh production from year 2005 onwards? There are number of mines in this which have started production after 2005. In fact, 2 mines I will cite. One is mine TC number 12 by 53, operated by one company called as Magnum. There are allegations that it is a foreign company, but I am not sure, and I have not tried to verify that also. The lease is in name of one Mr. Vaikunta Kadnekar. The 1987 Abolition Act says that this lease is in name of one Mr. Vaikunta Kanekar. तुमकां जर तूं पळोवपाचें आसा म्हजे कडेन एक्टाची झेरॉक्स कॉपी आहा. These are definitely matters outside PAC because it's a copy of the act. Anyway, you can also get it. It is very clearly written as Vaikunta Kanekar. How in 2007, not in 1988, how in 2007 one Mr. Vaikunta Kanekar or his legal representative gets the lease validated 2006, dates I 31/10/2006. This lease has been revalidated in name of Vaikunta Kadnekar. The act shows the lease to be in the name of Kanekar. This is one aspect of it. How it has been revived so late is another aspect of it. I will not go into this. But this lease has extracted some 2 lakh I'll give the exact figure. 47,000 tons of ore during year 10-11 as a dump above the EC limit. You can see it. I have got the document here. आता ही मायनीक एनवायरमेंट क्लियरन्स मेळ्ळा 27/6/2007. It is a fresh, it is an expired lease which has been illegally brought to life, and there was nothing there on the place. It has shown dump. How can dump exist, old dump exist? If the lease itself is a fresh lease. ओल्ड डंप आहा पळय, ओल्ड डंप कोणाचे आसतले जाचे 1980, 1990, 2000 सालान जेंच्यांनी कामाक गेल्या पळय तांचे ओल्ड डंप आसूंक शकता. 2007 जेणे लिजीक हात घालो आनी ते पयलीं लिजीक हातूय लावन ना, म्हणजे 87 पासून 2007 पर्यंत ती लीज ऑपरेटूच जावन ना. सो देर इज नो क्वेश्चन ऑफ डंप बींग क्रिएटेड. So if the dump has been created, they have been created after 2007. It's a clear violation. The another lease which has done the same thing for the 2 years, totaling to about 7,60,000 tons, is 59/51 at Sange. In year 2009-10, it has extracted, it is, its EC limit is 3 lakh. It has extracted 2,98,955 tons, almost 3 lakhs. More than that, 3,90,439 tons have been extracted as a dump. This lease got environment clearance on 18/10/2007. It was virgin land as per the Google map 2003, copy of which I have with me. It was green Google, you can see it in that map, Google photograph, Google Earth. And in 2009-10, it shows dump extraction of 3,90,439 tons, and in year 2010-11, it shows another 3,60,000 tons.